I was doing great for the past 7 months when it comes to saving money, but when this Amazon Prime hit, I ended up dropping $500. And here's everything I end up buying. Cute coasters for my home office, microphones because I'm stepping up my game, biker shorts, maybe I'll exercise more, greens because we need them, a new iPad case that I definitely didn't need, a food scale because they go along with the shorts, a headphone stand for my home office for the vibes, and some home organizing shelves, which probably ended up being the best purchases, the 3 different kind of organizing shelves that I bought, because it's just so satisfying seeing everything organized after you spent a little cash on some little things that maybe you really needed all this time. And I will make sure to leave the links for everything that I bought on the description box of this video, so if you want to check it out, feel free to copy all my purchases. And now it's time for the home improvement portion of this video. Swapping the coasters, moving this to the other side of the room, and placing my headphone stand. I think it really goes with this IKEA table. It really matches the vibe with the wood. I had another cheap cover for this iPad that I really never liked the color, so I got this one, and honestly this quality is much better than the last one that I had, and I like this color better too. And to the true MVP part of this video, this is the closet before and this is the closet after. Much easier to access things, and on the other side we had a lot of crap, but also we had some weights that needed organizing, and look at this. And if you like this kind of video, subscribe to the channel and make sure to leave a like, and I will see you next time.